Road trip day 5. We finally get to our destination and we're starting our search for property. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Nailed up for your sanity. This is the shack. Hello and welcome. Yes, we finally get to our destination, and I'm going to take you through a couple of properties I looked at. The first one was actually the one I was wanting. Unfortunately, I think a day or two before I actually left for this road trip, it went under contract. But I'm still going to look at it because I can't buy anything unless I see. So that's why I had to go back, look around the area, kind of get an idea. I'm glad I did because I did learn a few things. So that made a huge impact on my search where I want to look and what I'm going to be looking for. So we're going to start out. You'll see the area that I'm at in between Greenville and Nashville. I forgot the town. Just driving through, started off in the morning. It was misty, foggy, all day it rained. I just show you some of the area I'm driving through, what it looks like, and then we'll end up at our first destination, the property that I did want that went under contract 2 days prior before I left for my road trip.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.
Hey everybody, well, it's been a difficult trip to say the least. Yeah, there's just go. I'm very tired, haven't had a good night's sleep. I am finally where I want to be, but it's unfortunately it's going to be raining for the next few days. But I want to kind of give you an idea of what I'm going to be looking at, and then I'll tell you exactly where it's at. So let me flip this around, and I'll show you. That's the property I was looking at. This is the other people over there. You see that? So all that up there, and behind there's like 14 acres. But downfall is it's already under contract. So, but I just give you an idea of what I've been kind of looking at, and just look at the greenery, the area around here. It's just amazing. It just sucks. It's hard to get turned around because these streets are so small. I hate pulling in people's driveway, but I got to get turned around. I hope they don't mind me turning around here. Make sure I don't fall off the edge back there. They give you no area. These roads are very, very small. Oh, get my finger out of the way. But that's it. We're looking at something like that. I know it's kind of hard with the windshield wipers, but it's actually all this here. I think right here's the entry to it. Or that here, somewhere around right here is the entry. Oh, right there's the entrance to it. So it's all that back there, but this is the road getting to it, and truthfully, I like it, but it is a little bit too far out of the way. You know, I was kind of bumming. I wanted the property, but it's a little bit too far out. I want to be about 20 minutes out of the city. Well, I don't want to be out this far where I don't even know if I'd want to drive this road at night. Got a little bit of a pond right here. That'd be cool. Just walk across the street here and throw a line in. I don't know if there's any fish in it, but this gives you an idea of the road coming in on. And I tell you what, I don't know if I really don't know how a rig would get in here. It's really tight. You take up the whole road. There's no way to pass. Yeah. Nice little house. I don't want mine right on the road. I want mine off the road, about an acre or two back. Now the shop, I wouldn't mind sitting right there. But look at this. It's just beautiful through here. Now this is nice. This is nice. I like this. Yeah, beautiful area, a little bit too far out, I think. But then again, I'm not used to it, so I'm only doing like 20, 25 down this little road. So it takes me a little longer, so to me it seems much further out. But yeah, you saw this road covered with trees. It's just a beautiful drive, beautiful drive. So, where am I at? You may ask. I am in northeast Tri-City area, Tennessee. I cannot stay in California no more. I am done. So this is where I'm looking to go. Dang, that's a lot of trash. Spend the next couple of days here. I got a couple other stops trying to do all I can do, because some of the things you can find out here are much cheaper than California. So since I'm here, if I can buy a couple of things, even tools for the shop, yeah, I'm going to. I got one to look at, one tool that's in Kentucky, one I wanted really bad. Told the guy I'd be there Wednesday. I checked back. I checked this morning because it was a 3-hour drive. I thought, you know what, maybe I could just run down there. And no. Nope. Oh shoot, I gotta get off here. Yeah, I'm at a part here, I don't remember where I gotta go, so I'm going to end it here. Looking in Tennessee, trying to find something. You see the area, beautiful. This is what I'm trying to find out in this area. I'm gonna go find a hotel, check in tomorrow. We're gonna do another excursion, check some things out. Unfortunately, all the properties that I was looking at are under contract or off market sold, so yeah, they're not lasting long here. That's beautiful stuff right there. That is it on this video. Make sure you're subscribed, ring the bell so you're notified when the next one comes out. With that, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, take back, check the hell there for your sanity. Don't forget your umbrella, because out here it can rain at any given time. That is it for this video. We will see you next time.